Fix One UI 7 broke the notification panel, making it harder to access notifications on Samsung phone. So after you update your phone, you notice that when you swipe down at the top, it does not show notifications under the panel. So to fix it, you have to swipe down at the top, then tap on the pencil icon. Here, tap on panel settings. Then we go down and tap on together. Okay, so Samsung have give you an additional options where you can separate your notifications from the quick settings panel. So here, choose together, and it will go back to the old layout. Now you go down, and then you can tap on the back key, and then tap on done to save the changes. So if we swipe down, here at the top it will show the shortcuts, and at the bottom it will show your notifications. So this is how it used to be, and after the update, it put everything separately. So here you can see if I swipe down, it shows the full quick settings panel, but it does not include notifications. And if you swipe down at the center, it will show only the notifications and not the quick settings. So essentially they separate the notifications into two parts. One is the notifications, and the other is the quick settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.